Hi guys, Meriga Emmanuel here, your favorite solar energy guide. Here in Abuja, Ushafa to be precise, we just started another installation of 17 kilowatt power from the solar panels, 45 kilowatt hour battery and 20 kilowatt inverter. Now, before I do another video to explain to you guys what we're actually doing here, I want to bring this to your notice very quickly because a lot of people do complain that after installation, the roof do have a leakage due to the solar panels that we are installed on the roof, especially when it comes to flat roof, because presently we are installing on flat roof, and so far we've installed about 8 units. What will be on this roof will be about 27 units of 635 watt solar panels. Now, to avoid leakage on your roof, as an installer or a beginner that is into solar energy installation, if you are working on a roof like this, you don't have to step directly on this very edge. You can see there is an edge and there is a gutter. If you step on this edge, you will cause damage to the roofing sheet. So the best way to step on this roof is to step on the gutter. And while stepping on gutter, make sure you observe where there is nail or where there are nails. Now, if you observe, there are nails here down to that side, so it means a wood passes under this place, and this gutter is directly on the wood. Now, if you observe the roof, it doesn't look like we have stepped on it, aside our footprint that is already on the gutter. If you observe, this is how we move. Now, we move this way to avoid leakage, so that when we are done with the installation, there won't be story from our customer or there won't be call from our client that his roof is leaking after installation. So you have to be very, very intentional when installing solar energy system on your client roof. So observe where you keep your feet or where you put your feet to avoid leakage. Don't step on this very edge. Stepping on this very edge will cause the roof to open by this side, and there will be possible water leakage. So if you are stepping, step on the gutter. The gutter is directly on the wood. And we at Solar God and Co Limited, we are good at many things, but let me list a few. If you observe, one, we are very intentional when it comes to our installation. Two, we are very precise. Now look at this. You love what you are seeing, right? Very intentional. And we have not done any damage to the roof because we are very, very intentional. So be intentional in whatever you do, and you get the best result from whatever you do.